Go ahead and start throwing the clamp assembly in here. I noticed that the tailpipe on my daily driver Cherokee seemed like it was hanging a little bit low, so I decided to investigate. Just figured the clamp had come off in the back. Well, yeah, it did. It broke off, so I'm going to be fixing that now. Yay. I was never able to find a clamp I liked until today, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that main clamp off and put a universal on. I finally found one that'll work and shouldn't require very much modification. Then I'll figure out what I'm doing with the back tailpipe hanger. That's a problem I didn't think I'd have to solve right now. I finally found a universal tailpipe hanger that actually would twist and pivot while still retaining itself to the clamp. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the old hanger bracket off the tailpipe, and then I'll put this piece on. I might have to cut it down as well, but we'll see when I get there. I think that's gonna work out pretty well. I'm gonna shorten up the bracket. That'll allow me to push the muffler up and get some tension on it and get the weight of the muffler off of the pipe. This is the setup I'm going to use. I cut 3 lengths out of this bracket. I'm going to use a 3/8 bolt with an nut, a couple of washers, get this thing thrown on. I will likely use a floor jack to lift the muffler up a bit to get some tension off of it so I can put this in easier. See how it goes. Go ahead and start throwing the clamp assembly in here. There we go, it's all set. Take it for a test drive, see if I get any clanks or bangs, and figure out if that rear hanger makes any noise. I'll definitely be replacing it, but it'll probably be tomorrow. I gotta find another part to hang for that. Also, I always like to try to put the clamps to the side, but for this instance, that won't work with that way that hanger system works. So back to the rear exhaust hanger, it's still broken. I found a complete replacement style. It comes with the rubber in both brackets. The biggest problem is this is not going to come out. These bolts are way in there. It's Michigan. I'll give it a 150% chance of not coming out. First option is this contraption. I can modify this as I need to. It's only $8. Step 1 is going to be to grind this sucker off, get this big bracket off. Hopefully I can reuse what came with the new bracket. Worst case, I can modify this. It's all cut. Just ignore the jagged edges and crap. Coat of paint will fix that right up. I'm going to see if I can get the drill in here, put a hole through this side of it, and use this bracket, because that's going to be easier than trying to undo everything else up here. I figured I wouldn't have any access to it, so I improvised. Yep, that's gonna work. Assuming I can get it back. It's only a bad idea if it doesn't work. Just remember that. Upside down thumbs. Well, yeah, that's actually just pretend it's the right setup. These clamps tend to never come off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to it. God, it actually started moving. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. It's the first one I've ever taken off that actually came off. It didn't just snap. Yes, that's a hose clamp. No, it's not permanent. I ran out of freaking exhaust clamps, so I have to go get one, but I need to do this so I can get to the store. It'd help if I had it in the right direction. Just gonna pretend that first time didn't happen. Look at that. Go grab a actual exhaust clamp and it's all set. Well, the hose clamp worked just fine. Going to get the part, going to get groceries this morning, so I'm gonna take it off, throw a real clamp on it, trying to beat the rain, so I'm gonna be a little speedy. Speedy for me anyway. In theory. Fries are done. Threads were catching a bit, so I ran it down with the socket first just to make sure it was okay. I didn't like the position, so I'm going to try to reposition it. Well, I'm going to call this good. And with that, that repair's done. More Cherokee content, more Chambler content. TJ, Comanche, Rambler in the background there. And dogs, by the way. Dogs are more popular than I am. Like, share, subscribe, which I probably said before. See you next time.